Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. This vehicle comes in red metallic paint with alloy rims. We also have rear privacy tint, chrome mirror caps. On the inside we have our light tan leather, as well as heated and vented seats and heated steering wheel, backup camera and navigation. We also have rear heated seats, our variable air suspension, as well as a 5.7 liter V8 engine. Now moving on to the interior of the Jeep, we'll take a closer look at the door panel, which features our two-tone brown and tan leather. We also have our wooden trim, chrome door handle, window and mirror controls with power mirror fold-in. And then below we have our memory seat option, speaker and storage. Side of the seat we have our power lumbar support and seat adjustment. And then off to the left of the steering wheel we have our lighting settings and a fuel filler cap release. Our gauge cluster. On the steering wheel we have our cruise control, and we have our front collision alert, rear collision alert, and our hill descent assist. Controls for our phone, leather on the top of the steering wheel, and then dark brown leather wrapping with tan on the underside. This is also a heated steering wheel with paddle shifters behind. Push start, and then our infotainment screen. You can see our options down at the bottom here. We have our radio media, climate controls, so we have our vented and heated seats, as well as our mirror dimmer and that heated steering wheel option. And then our full applications in the vehicle, climate controls and navigation, and then our phone option, which we can pair just as easy as that. Below that we have our option to turn off the screen. And then we have our volume and radio controls, dual zone climate controls in the physical form. We can also adjust them from the screen as I showed before. Park assist, collision alert, and then our eco mode and traction control. We have our storage cubby with SD card slot, USB, and auxiliary input, as well as a 12-volt charging port. Center area, we have our gear selection stock, finished in leather, 2 cup holders, and then our 4-wheel drive system. You can see we have our low mode, descent assist, our variable suspension. Then we have our sand, mud, snow, and rock modes. Padded leather center console lid. We have 2 sections here. The first we have a 12-volt charging port and a felt line deep center console. And the second is located using the second button here. The front seats are featured in tan leather. We have our Overland badging, and then perforated leather in the lower portion. Again, these are heated and vented front seats. Above our rear view mirror, we have our sunglass holder, dome lights and dome light settings, and our sunroof and moonroof controls. For our panoramic sunroof and moonroof overhead. Now moving on to the exterior of the Jeep Grand Cherokee, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with Jeep badge center caps. We also have our Grand Cherokee badging featured in chrome mirror caps and door handles with lock and unlock button on the driver's side. Rear privacy tint, and we can see right now the Cherokee is in the sport or the park suspension mode, which we can see is sitting very low, looks very sporty. But if we go ahead and come into the vehicle and check out those buttons in the center area, we can raise the vehicle to the full up position for off-roading. And I'll go ahead and show you that from the outside after I finish the rear review. So around the back we have our 4x4 badging and Overland badging, as well as our dual exhaust and Jeep badge. We can open our power liftgate, and inside we'll see a storage net, as well as a rear privacy shelf or a cover, and then a full textured rubber fitted pad with our Jeep badge and speaker off to the side with 12-volt charging port. Then we have the button off to the side to close. And just about now the Jeep should have finished raising the vehicle, so we can see as comparison to the park mode, we have about 2 fists worth of wheel gap at the back and front. As compared to before. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Jeep Grand Cherokee, we'll take a look at the rear door panel, which features our chrome door handle, two-tone brown and tan, same as the front with a wooden trim. And we have our window switch and speaker with storage. Back of the front seats we have mesh magazine holders. and back of the center console area, we have 2 USB ports, the rear heated seat options, and then a 3-prong power outlet. The rear seats are a 60/40 split bench with our fold-down center seat featuring 2 cup holders and an armrest. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.